I was just watching that last video and my fingering wasn't very good, so you'll have to forgive me on that. All right, let me find my notes, see what we're gonna do. So we can make a song sound more intense and mysterious. We've kind of talked about that by dropping the third for each major chord. And we drop that like C major chord. We take the third and we drop it down half a step, and that makes it C minor. So we're going to work again. I know I keep repeating myself, but I just want to make sure you understand. We're going to just work with C major chord in the left hand, F major, and G major. And we're going to play the Amazing Grace melody in the right hand. So let's make all of these chords minor. So let's, I'm going to show you first. I'm going to explain it, and then I'll let you, and then I'll just kind of, if you want to pause it on the music after I explain everything, you can go ahead and play. So it's kind of hard to have the music down here and play. So if you notice, the first note is G. Maybe you guys can see that if I just bring that off. So the right hand's going to play G. Okay, but we need to, in the left hand, we need to play that C minor chord now. So let's make that chord that the C major chord, we'll play it down here. Let's make it a minor. Okay, so let's play that next part with the minor chord. So hear how it sounds. Okay, now if we're gonna make the triad in the left hand a minor, we should probably make any notes that are in that, any thirds that are found in that triad. So the E is the third. We should probably make those minors in the right hand. So if you see right here, every time you play an E in the right hand, you also need to make it minor, because that's going to be consistent. I'll play it where I'm not making the E minor in the right hand, and you can hear it, and then I'll do it where I am making the E in the right hand minor. So first, so it sounds weird because you have this minor chord and then you play this, then you play the E just normal. So let's play it where we make the E in the right hand a minor. That sounds a little better because now it's all pretty consistent and it all sounds mysterious. Okay, so the next part is, we're playing C in the right hand, and then we're going to play the F chord. So remember, the F chord, to make that a minor, you drop the A down. So I'm going to go ahead and play that. I'm going to finish the first line playing the F chord and the C chord. Now remember, in the right hand, if we want to make it consistent, we need to make any chord or any third interval, which is A, in the right hand also a minor. So there's an A right here, so we got to make the right hand A minor too. So this can get a little confusing, but just see, I'm sure you'll catch on. It might take a few times. So I'm going to just play the rest of the line dropping that third interval A in the left hand and in the right hand. Okay, I just got to this part right here. So I'm just going to circle where you need to make a note minor in the right hand. So we know we need to make the E minor, because that's going to go along with the E minor in the C major or C minor triad. So let's see, this is an E, so we got to make that minor. And this is an E, so we got to make that minor. And then remember to go along with to make the F major a minor, you have to drop the A. or make the A flat. So let's find any A's in the right hand and make them flat. So let's circle, that's an A. Let's see, there's another E, so we got to do the E. And that's C. And there's another C, or sorry, E. Okay. So now we're to the G. And the G is the right hand note, but it's also going to be the G major chord. And we're going to make that G major a minor. So G major, G minor. So what note needs to be minor in the right hand to go along with the G minor chord in the left hand? Well, it's going to be a B. So B minor. So every time we come to a B, and I think you only maybe do it once, you're going to circle that and make it a minor. So let's go throughout this and make sure that we've circled all the right hand notes that need to be minor. Remember, it's E for the C minor chord, it's A for the A minor chord, and it's B for the G minor chord. So let's see. Any B's? There's an E. So that needs to be minor. That's a G. There's another E. G. There's another E. C. G. A. There's another A. C. C. There's another A. G. G. F. There's another E. G. D. C. So there aren't actually any B flats or B's that we need to make flat. So so when you're playing this, you're gonna make the in the left hand you're gonna make the triad a minor, and then every time you come across one of those notes that are in the triad that you got to make minor, so like an E or an A, there's no B's in here, then you got to also make those minors in the right hand. So anything that's circled, you just make it minor. So I'll put that. Any note that is circled, make it minor, which means to drop half a step. Okay, so I'm going to play it and then you can play it. And I'm going to do one more video where I'm going to play and then I'll hold it so you can play it.